what's up guys? So we've got two somewhat common tools here. The drill that we all know and love, used for driving in screws, drilling holes, fill in the blank. Everyone needs a drill. This is a trim router. It is basically used for cleaning up edges on things. You can even do plunge work with this gauge here to a degree, which would basically, you know, as it says, plunge into a piece of wood or plastic or whatever, and then kind of carve out a design, cut out a groove into it, do whatever you need. Only issue is, even though this is considered a compact one by router standards, and it's cordless obviously with this Ryobi One Plus system, it's still pretty big, and it's just this one tool that basically just does this. What's neat about this guy here is, as it sits now, it's a drill, but just like that, the drill part detaches and this thing becomes a whole range of other tools. I've already done another video on this matrix system as a whole. I just didn't have this at the time. It's the matrix BCD MTR router attachment. So basically with this, it'll turn this matrix drill into not just a drill, it'll turn it into a replacement for that. So let's open it up and see what's all doing inside. Got these zip snips ready to go once again. Let's get it started right here. Slices right through that. Alright, so in the box, we've got the router itself. And that looks like about it. Just a little bit of paperwork, loose cardboard. Oh, looks like we have a wrench here, probably for changing the bit. Alright, so onto the router. It doesn't look like it comes with the bit, but the router itself is pretty decent in quality. If you turn this knob here, you can actually change the height of it. There's no gauge or anything, but you can do that with a tape measure. Advantage of this one, there's an actual gauge that lets you know how deep you're going in to the workpiece and everything, and it's a lot more adjustable and obviously sturdier in general. If you look at the difference, it's pretty notable. But this is just a simple attachment that turns this already super versatile system even that much more versatile. So basically, once this is all set up, it's like you need to press this safety here. Press that down, fires right up. Once you do that, you would just take that on this edge piece here, run it across, and that'll clean those edges up. It gives you that nice rounded over look, or you can smooth them back out, just all depending on whatever you're doing with your tip. All in all, this is a nice little unit. It's definitely compact. It's got, you know, a decent feel in the hand. It's definitely not the highest quality feeling attachment they make or router, but it is very versatile and very compact. This thing, it's got a decent amount of adjustment, which, you know, will come in handy. You're not going to really use this for super large projects or anything. This will just be kind of little quick cleanups here and there, stuff like that. I've actually got an RV, and this matrix system as a whole is my toolkit for it. Just for little projects I might do on the road, quick fixes here and there, stuff like that. Just always have in the RV. This is going to be a nice added unit to that, and I've been looking forward to it for a while actually. Just haven't had a chance to pick one up. They are somewhat rare. You can find deals on them. I believe I paid $22 for this attachment, and the drill itself you can get for around $40 with just a drill head, the battery, the charger. So all in all, I would say it's a really nice unit, definitely worth the money, considering that it takes your standard drill, turns it into this, And with some of the other attachments, it can do, you know, 10 plus tools. So not too bad at all. I actually already made a video on those. I'll be linking that in the comments. All right. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. Have a